Hey guys, Robert at Rat Nation. How about a 55? Let's take a look. LS1 motor. He's going to let me look at this car and give me the opportunity to film it. And you can go ahead and check the hood if you want to, sir. How about my Bellaire friends? Unbelievable car. Wait till I interview this guy. You're gonna die. This is one that come out of the nest with him here, guys. This is a unbelievable car. I mean, he's done it and redone it, and man, this is cool. By the way, we're at Nifty 50's Waller, Texas 20th anniversary, and we're having a good time. Randy Shannon puts it on, and if you're anywhere near the Conroe area, come out to see him. Man, he puts on a really cool car show every week in the summer. You can look it up, Nifty 50 on Facebook, or you can just check it out on Rat Nation. What a car, what a car. All right, let's talk to this man. All right, hey sir, how are you?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's your name?
Roy.
Roy, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Thanks, sir.
What a really fine 55.
Yep.
So tell me a little bit about your car. We talked earlier and you said, how old was you when you got this car?
17, 1964.
Amazing.
$275.
Amazing.
Yeah.
What area did this car come from?
Out of Mississippi. I was in a little town of Brookhaven, Mississippi.
And you drove it for a while like it was when you bought it?
Like everybody else, drove it and then got money to buy a new one. I bought a new one and parked it, and then later fixed it up and used it to go back and forth to work, stuff like that. And then about 5 years ago when I retired, I decided it's time to do something to it, so put it back on the road.
And this is the original paint color?
Original color, autumn bronze and shoreline beige.
Yes, sir. And love the wheels, love the body. Man, what a beautiful sedan. You put new interior, right?
Yep, the old interior was right, and over the years it's just bad. So.
Well, and a whole lot more comfortable. You know, the one thing that we like about the LS motors, and you can tell me, dependability.
Right, dependability, pretty decent gas mileage.
Freeway speeds.
Yep.
Get in it in the morning and not worry about what you're going to do and take off.
Drive it. Yeah, we ride it a good bit. Especially, got a bunch of grandkids. They love to ride in it. I put little car seat holders in the back for it, and so I can put it back there with the car seats.
Yes, sir. And when we talk about these cars, these are what I would consider an iconic car. 55, 6, and 7 Chevrolet Bellairs, you know, they're out there. They're just, but I don't talk to many people that's had one since they've been 17 years old.
Yep, 17. I walked to buy it.
That's amazing.
Walked to the man's house, give it $275 and drove it home.
That's amazing. Well, I know a lot of people on this channel would like to give it back to you. You know, when we're talking about these kind of cars especially, this is a social event here. Nifty 50, something you've been going to for a while, right?
Right. I go to the one in the Woodlands on Saturday night. I go over there, try to go at least once a month.
I know Randy does a good job.
Yeah, good job. Good people over there.
It really is. If you're in the area, I recommend again to come out and see them. Let's talk a little bit more. One more question about your car is, so you had the original motor in it until you put the LS motor?
Right.
And for people that's, would you recommend going LS, or would you, what's your thoughts on that?
It was okay, but I probably wouldn't do it again.
You'd probably leave it original?
Yeah, probably so.
Well, I appreciate your honesty.
No more than I drive it.
Yes, sir. And I appreciate your honesty, because we're seeing more and more people go back to you know, LS motors and taking away originality of the car. But it really doesn't matter to me. I think it's if your dependability in drivers, if you're going to drive it every day, maybe, I don't know. But Roy, I appreciate you.
One interesting thing about the car, my son came home from the hospital in it in 1966, and my youngest granddaughter came home from it 20 years ago.
It'll never leave your family.
Yeah. When they came home from the hospital in that thing.
It'll never leave your family.
No, it's there to stay.
You know, these cars get to be part of the family. People name them. A lot of people, when they get these cars, it's a part of your life and your family. And it will continue to be. Your son or somebody will get it and just keep on going with it. Roy, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Guys, this is Rat Nation. This is Roy. He's talked to us a little bit about his car. Subscribe to our channel. You want to see these cars? So here they are. Subscribe to it, and we'll see you down the line. I'm Robert with Rat Nation. Roy, thank you for the interview.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.